sworn enemy, my older sister Sienna. I think she just didn't like sharing our parents, even though they practically.
Okay! That scared me, though.
National Weather Service in Amarillo has
Not even gonna lie, that scared me.
northwestern Hutchinson County, western Hansford County, Sherman County, southeastern Dallam County, Warwick County, eastern Hartley County until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles west of Groover to 4 miles northeast of Cactus to 9 miles southwest of Conlin, moving
That
south
was
at 40 miles per
unnecessary, but okay.
hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Hail
That scared
damage to
me.
vehicles is expected. Locations
I'm not gonna lie,
impacted
bro, that scared me.
include Dumas, Dalhart, Stratford,
Did you
Hartley,
just say
Cactus,
Dalhart? It's a
Sunray,
Dalhart, but
Jeanette,
okay.
Groover, Moores, Conlin, and Pringle.
Bro,
For your protection, move to an
Burps.
interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties.
All right, then.
In Texas: Dallam, Hansford, Hartley, Hutchinson, Moore, and Sherman.
alright.